I wanna be like Ayojenli.
Hi everyone, it's your girl Ayotunde Falegan, Omo Baba Shekere Jesu. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this platform, please make sure that you subscribe if you haven't done so before. Like and make sure you comment on every video we post on Mondays in order to participate in our 5,000 Naira giveaway that we do every week. Also, on Saturdays 9 p.m. Nigeria time and 1 p.m. Pacific time, we do a Facebook Live program where we rub minds together and educate ourselves and choose winner for the giveaway. Thanks. As usual, we were sent a video of a lady who is in need of help in Nigeria about a few weeks ago. Let's watch the video.
Ẹ káàárọ̀ ma o. Ẹ bá gbóhùn sókè ma ẹ káàárọ̀ ma. Ẹ kí lórúkọ yín ma? Ṣé Mrs. ní ni àbí Miss? Fáṣọ̀rántì Yétúndé. Kí ma?
Nǹkan tí mò ń dojú kọ pọ̀ láti ìgbà tí ìṣòro yìí ti bẹ̀rẹ̀. Kò sówó kò sí kankan, akọ́ṣẹ́ kò sówó tá a fi ra irinṣẹ́.
Ṣé ìwọ gan lẹ́kọ́?
Condition ni
Irú condition wo ni ẹ ma?
mo fi dé mi.
Okay. So ẹ ti wá kọ́ṣẹ́ ohun tán báyìí.
Bẹ́ẹ̀
Ọ̀nà wo lẹ rò pé wọ́n ti lè gbà ràn yín lọ́wọ́?
wọ́n ra irinṣẹ́ fún mi.
Wọ́n ra irinṣẹ́.
Àti jẹun náà kò sówó kò sí kankan, mo ṣáà ń sùn ni.
Okay, ìyanu á ṣẹlẹ̀.
Àmín.
With immediate effect, we sent some foodstuff over with a sum of 10,000 Naira cash. Let's watch our appreciation video as well. Ẹ káàárọ̀ ma. Ẹ bá dárúkọ yín mà.
Orúkọ mi Fáṣọ̀rántì Yétúndé.
Ilé-iṣẹ́ Ayojenli tó rán wa lọ́jọ́sí. Wọ́n ní ká gbé àwọn oúnjẹ yìí wá fún yín. Nípa tí máṣíìnì tẹ́ sọ lọ́jọ́sí, wọ́n ń gbégbésẹ̀ lórí ẹ̀ lọ́wọ́. Wọ́n ní ṣùgbọ́n kẹ̀sì báwọn fi ọwọ́ ba àwọn oúnjẹ yìí. Ráìsì, ẹ̀wà, púpúrú, gàrí ló wà ńbẹ̀. Ṣé bá a dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ ilé-iṣẹ́ náà?
Mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ iléeṣẹ́ yín ò ní jóná o. Ọlọ́run á máa bùkún yín o. Ọlọ́run á máa ráláàánú náà sẹ́yìn náà.
Wọ́n ní ká fún yín ní envelope yìí. Ẹ máa bá wa ka iye tó wà ńbẹ̀. Ẹ wá dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ ilé-iṣẹ́ náà àti àwọn agbátẹrù Ayojenli. 10,000. Ẹ bá a dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ ilé-iṣẹ́ náà àti àwọn agbátẹrù.
Ok, a dúpẹ́ ẹ̀yin àti àwọn agbẹ́tẹ̀rù náà. Iléeṣẹ́ yín ò ní dàrú o.
Jésù. So, a tún máa kàn sí yín tó bá ṣe jẹ́. Ẹ ṣé púpọ̀ mà. Thanks, Mrs. Fáṣọ̀rántì Yétúndé. As you have prayed, may the Lord continue to bless all the givers in Jesus' name. Amen. Today, I want to ask you a question. What does success mean to you? What is your definition of success? I mean, we all want success. We want to be successful and feel successful. We chase money, power, fame, diplomas, relationships, and other things without ever pausing a bit to ask ourselves one important question. What does success mean to me? In this life, just a few of us will really take their time to consider what it really means to achieve success in their personal life. There is an adage that says, if you don't design your own plan, chances are you will fall into someone else's plan. What does that mean? What it means is that if you don't know your own definition of success, you might end up climbing the wrong ladder and pursue someone else's version of success. Success looks different to everybody in this life. For one person, it might mean making $1 million Naira or dollar. For another, it might mean raising a big, healthy family. But no matter your own unique definition of success and how you want to obtain it, you must first have a crystal clear idea of what it means to get to the top if you want to follow in the footsteps of all those your successful mentors. In other words, you must first achieve equal clarity. Now, let's talk about what success isn't about. If you spend just a few minutes on social media, you will realize how many people have a narrow definition of the word success. They think it's about money, wealth, luxury, fame, Launching a billion naira or dollar business or having a large number of followers on Instagram. And a lot of time, they attach famous people to their image of success. Personally, I think someone with less money could be more successful than someone with a huge fortune. A wealthy man or woman may gather an incredible amount of money through hard work, but that does not change the fact that some days, weeks, or months later or years could be unsuccessful for them. Throughout our childhood and teenage years, we all have various ideas of what success is, from our parents, friends, teachers, and many more. Each and every one of us has our own very idea and agenda of who and what we should be in future. Although nothing is bad in valuing the opinion or hopes of others, but we should not adopt them as ours. No one can impose their own version of success on you. No one can tell us what it really means to live a good life. Success isn't an end game. The day you stop looking for an opportunity to improve is the day you are no longer successful. Many people go bankrupt because they built a little wealth and then think that now is the right time to retire and spend the rest of their life drinking beer on the beach with friends. These people treat success like it's an end game. They stop planning, they stop working, and they stop setting up new goals in life. Never allow the drive you once had to achieve a prosperous life diminish once you have achieved one goal. The moment you achieve one goal, you have to start setting even a larger one. Life is a journey. We have to run it till we breathe our last breath. We are all chasing after the term success in quotes. We believe if we catch it, we will receive happiness. But that is not the case. Perspective is everything. Sometimes, don't you wonder why those who are struggling or lacking basic amenities appears to be happier than any other individual on the planet? That is the power of what we call perspective. To me, success without a purpose is an endless life disappointment. Success is associated to one's happiness and joy through fulfilling a purpose. I am not rich, well off, or anything close to financial stability, but every day I try my best and I can't reoccur on happy days. With that, I consider I am a family, a successful family. By society's definition of success, my family might not be successful, but by my own terms and vision, I am more successful than those who make 5 times salary than me. Because if you think about it, most of us who send money to our relatives almost every time don't even enjoy the money ourselves. Still, we look happy. If we calculate all those little dollars we send or give to people every month, then you will realize that we have been a billionaire all along. Although our checking or saving accounts may say it otherwise, but we still remain happy forever. I believe success is an obligation, a duty every day everyone in life should strive for. I mean, without a comfortable level of money in the bank, how are we going to provide for our family, send our kids to school, feed them, or buy awesome gifts for our kids' families and friends? So with this, I tell you, money is not as bad as we view it. In fact, money is a blessing, but it will never ever magically create happiness. Personally, I have goals so large that you will think I am insane. I want to reach a level of financial stability where I will build various sectors of business that will employ about 50 million people. I want to build apartments that will occupy 20 million people for free. I want to have a foundation that will cater for all races, ages, and status in life. Isn't that exciting? I believe success is my duty, and that is why I'm focusing on improving and getting closer to my dreams every day. My vision of success probably looks like nothing compared to your own, but I know that is how it's supposed to be. If we fail to define our success ourselves and try to pursue someone else's path, we will end up frustrated, unhappy, and feel empty inside. Bruce Lee said, "Always be yourself, express yourself, have faith in yourself, and do not go out and look for a successful personality and duplicate it. The path to success begins by asking yourself, what makes me happy? Success equals achievements and accomplishment. But there is no amount of money that will define the true meaning of success. And if you don't define it, someone else will define it for you. What mountains are you climbing? Is it the right one? If you work hard every day and do at least one thing to get closer to your goal, don't be afraid to call yourself a successful individual. Start on the right path today and you will be amazed. Thank you. So, on the last week video, we have 2 winners on Ayo Jenlis Facebook Live. Their names are Aliu Mariam and Adewale Oluwaseun. We have transferred the money to them as usual. Please and please, when you comment on every YouTube video, make sure you go back and check if you win the 5,000 Naira Facebook rolling. We do every Saturday 9 p.m. Nigeria time and 1 p.m. California time. Also, we are having a talent show competition which has already started already. Whether you are good at singing, dancing, jingle, comedy, dramas and so on, just showcase your talent. You are to do a video not less than 4 minutes and not more than 5 minutes. You have from now till October 15th to send in your video. We will not receive any video beyond the submission date. The winners will be announced live on Saturday, October 31st, 2020, 9 p.m. Nigeria time. The first winner will win a sum of 50,000 Naira. The second winner will win a sum of 30,000 Naira, while the third winner will win 20,000 Naira. If you are interested, please message me on either Facebook Messenger or Instagram to our supporters. I say thank you for your continuous support. You guys are the best. To those who want to join us in taking action to reduce hunger in Nigeria, you can do so by donating just a tiny little bit. I always call it just a tiny little bit to Ayo Jenlis GoFundMe account. The link is also on Ayo Jenlis Facebook and Instagram. Please and please donate sparingly and invite your families and friends and tell them about this program. I believe together the world will be a better place. Until then, have a wonderful week ahead. Don't forget to smash the like button, click the bell icon for notification, comment, and subscribe. See you next Saturday 9 p.m. Nigeria time live. But again, please make sure you subscribe, comment, and like the video to be able to participate in the 5,000 Naira giveaway. And also on Thursday, we will be starting a program where we educate ourselves. Please and please call your families and friends. Let them join us live on Ayo Jenlis. Please, the purpose of this program is to educate ourselves. You know, no man is an island. Your wisdom is very important to me. Give me your opinion. Let's rub mine together. See you on the 20th this week. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you. Bye.